What is up everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to view your liked pins on Pinterest. First, make sure you've liked some pins. Simply click on a pin you like and tap the heart icon at the bottom right to like it. Next, navigate to your settings. You can do this by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Tune Your Home Feed. Here you'll find different sections like Activity, Interests, Boards, and Following. To see your like pins, click on the Activity section. You'll find a list of pins you've recently liked, and there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.